Changing your IP address is one of the common reasons why you do want to purchase a VPN. It is for the very reason that a VPN will give you a lot of options because they have a lot of servers in different countries. So you can actually very easily assume a new identity by connecting to a server in a particular country and making it look like you're actually based in that country. So there are a number of reasons you might want to change your IP address. For example, you just want to unblock content on a popular streaming platform like Netflix. Remember, these platforms usually restrict your content based on your geographical location. So if you wanted to access the content library, for example, that is destined for the United States audience, you just need to get a United States IP address in order to make it look like you're actually based in the United States. So in this NordVPN tutorial, I'm just going to show how you can quickly switch from one server to another, how you can quickly change your IP address from one country to another in order to make your use of NordVPN very easy. Alright, so right off the bat, in order to get to connect to any server, you can very easily use this quick connect feature right here, and it's just going to look for some random server that is closer to you that is also going to deliver some great speeds, or you can have some more granular control on the server you're going to connect to and the country you're going to get your IP address from. Alright, so there are specialty servers here that are really a little bit more control. Like if you have a dedicated IP address, then you cannot be changing that dedicated IP address because you're going to be assigned a dedicated IP address that is based in a particular country, and you have a limit on the number of countries where you can choose to have your dedicated IP address from. So most often when you're trying to change your IP address, you're just going to rely on these standard servers right here, which we also call shared servers. So connecting to a server is as simple as clicking on the name of the country in the server list right here, and then the VPN app is going to look for the most optimal server to connect it to. For example, if you wanted to change your IP address to make it look like you're actually based in the United Kingdom, all you need to do is click on the United Kingdom or even just search for United Kingdom in the search bar right there. Then the app is going to filter out all the servers that are based in the United Kingdom, either based on the country name or the city, so that you can actually refine your connection even further. So I'm already connected to a server in the United Kingdom. We can actually go ahead and confirm whether we have a real United Kingdom IP address. So I'm going to click on what is my IP address right here. As you can see, we have a new IP address. The country is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and the state is England, and the city is London. So what this means is that switching your servers is as simple as clicking on the name of the country. Let's just try to switch one more time to a server, probably in Brazil. So I'm just going to click on Brazil right there, and it's going to look for a server that is most optimal for us to use in Brazil based on the loads on that server, the speeds on that server, and a number of other factors. And then here we're already connected to a server in Brazil, so we can actually go ahead and confirm whether we have a new Brazilian IP address. Alright, so I clicked on what is my IP address. Here we go with a new IP address. Country is Brazil, state is São Paulo, and the city is São Paulo. Alright guys, so that's as simple as it gets in terms of changing your IP address with NordVPN. If you don't already have a NordVPN subscription, I've provided a link to a discount page in the description below where you can get 60% off NordVPN, a discount you're not going to get if you just go directly to the NordVPN website. So be sure to check it out, click it, and lock down your discount for the next 2 years so you can enjoy this great VPN service provider for really some great prices. Alright guys, if you've used NordVPN before, be sure, please share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to know how this VPN worked for you. Remember, NordVPN has a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you're not impressed by your purchase for whatever reason, feel free to hit up customer support within those first 30 days and get your money back. Otherwise, it's a very great VPN to use in order to change your IP address regardless of the country. What you need to do is that currently you only have up to 60 different countries. So the only drawback is, for example, if you wanted to connect to a server, get an IP address that belongs to a country that is not currently listed here. For example, currently NordVPN doesn't have servers in India. So if you wanted to get a VPN that is going to give you an Indian IP address, you better go with Surfshark because they have actual servers in India. Alright guys, that's it with this NordVPN tutorial on how to change your IP address with NordVPN. So till next time, keep it NordVPN.